Hey fam, welcome back. In this video, we are going to be unboxing my BoxyCharm base and premium for the month of November. So if you are interested in seeing what I got in my boxes this month, go ahead and stay tuned. We're going to get into it right now. So first, I know this eye look is extra AF. I thought I wanted to try something a little bit different today, and this is where we're at. There you have it. So first, let's go ahead and check out the base box. Our theme this month is Boxy Harvest. And in case you are interested, there is a coupon here for 25% off Natasha Denona. It's good until Christmas. It is NDX Boxy. So if you were looking for any Natasha Denona products, make sure you get your 25% off. Again, code NDX Boxy. The first product in my box is a very exciting one. This is the Natasha Denona Peak Palette. This was actually specially created for BoxyCharm. However, these are full-size shades from her existing palettes. There are 3 from the Safari palette, 1 from the Sunset palette, and 1 from the Biba palette. So I only have the Sunset palette, meaning 4 of these shades are brand new to me. So I am so thrilled. There are 4 mattes and 1 shimmer in this palette. I think it's really beautiful, and this is my first Natasha Denona full-size 5-pan palette. I have some of her 5-pan minis, but not a full-size, so I am super duper excited to have this in my collection. I think these shades are really beautiful, super wearable, and I'm so grateful to have received this in my box this month. Next, we have a giveaway item. This is the Half-Caked Game Changer 3-Lip Fondant. So these are they are vegan, babe tested, vegan approved. So these are actually 3 lip colors. I believe they are liquid lipsticks. They call them lip fondants, but I'm thinking that's like a liquid lipstick. So these are the 3 shades that come in this little box. It looks to be more of like a natural shade, a kind of like orangey pinky shade, and then more of like a burnt brown, like an orange brown shade. So I will have these for y'all for my next giveaway. Another product I got was the Perro Primero primer from Alamar Cosmedix. This is something that I do already have, and I like it, but it is super sticky. It's like the stickiest eye base I've ever used. However, once you start to apply shadows, like I have used this to do an eye look, actually with her Spanglish palette. Once you do start to put shadows down, that tackiness does subside, and it really does cling very well to your shimmers. But what I would probably do with this instead is just use it like a glitter primer. So I would just put it over shadows when I wanted to lay down something that needed a tacky base. So I'm really happy to have this. I use my NYX glitter primer all the time. I have so many shimmer shades that I think this will really come in handy, and I'm happy to have it. Another product from my base box was this Dr. Brandt Antioxidant Spray Toner with green and white tea extract. So toners are always helpful. Dr. Brandt is a great brand. Your toner step would come in after you've washed your face, but before you go in with moisturizer. It just helps to balance your skin. And I'm really excited to have this. I haven't tried that many products by Dr. Brandt yet, so definitely excited to give this a try. And last in my base box was my choice item, which for this month was the Jouer Essential Lip Enhancer. This is basically just like a lip balm, but I struggle so much with my dry lips that I thought this would probably be a really helpful option for me. They did have the Benefit Give Me Brow, which I absolutely love, but I have a couple backups of that and one I'm currently working on. I can't remember what the other choice was, but I thought this one would suit me the best. So this is just a little lip balm from Jouer. So overall, I think this was a really good box. I really like my base box. I think the palette obviously is super exciting. I love getting a lip balm. That was my choice item. The Dr. Brandt toner, I feel like this is something I can definitely use and something that I would go through more quickly. I already know that I like this as a glitter base, and I even got something to share with you guys. Next, let's hop into premium. We have the exact same theme, the BoxyCharm Harvest. And first, I have this little cute Pure Face Palette. This is the 4-in-1 Skin Perfecting Powders. This is actually like a really pretty palette. You can see it says Fair, Light, and that's the shade range. And then inside we have a setting powder, a bronzer, a blush, and a highlighter. And the highlighter looks a little bit deep, but the fact that this is fair to light makes me think that maybe it just looks dark in the pan. But these are really pretty shades. I really like the component itself. I think it's very like chic and like modern looking. So I really am excited. I've really always enjoyed Pure's face palettes, and this nice big mirror is a pretty great addition to this as well. The next thing I see is this little single shadow from Dose of Colors. This is in the shade I Need Space, and it's in this cute little component. And this is our shade. It's like a smoky pewter shimmer. Really beautiful. It looks like it has little specks of like, kind of like a purpley gray shimmer. Really quite beautiful. And these textures are beautiful. I think these are the same types of shimmers that are in the Desi and Katie palette, I'm guessing. But very excited to have this. I actually have Dose of Colors Blushing Berries on my eyes today, and a single red shade from Give Me Glow. I'm not quite sure what the name is, and I already put everything away. I'm so sorry, but that is what I'm wearing on my eyes today. Like, again, I said I went a little crazy. I was trying to be experimental and avant-garde, and I just went like absolutely off the rails. So here we are. But yeah, very, very cute little shade. We also got a very cute little brush kit from Cosmedix. This is a skincare brush set, which is pretty exciting because I don't have anything like this, I don't think. I have a few spatulas and an old MAC foundation brush that I use to put on face masks and such, but this is pretty cool to have an actual brush. So on the kind of like spatula brush, there's this little like textured scrubbies, which is pretty cool. And then you also have a brush that has all these little bumps, which actually kind of reminds me of the Alamar brush that we got in a BoxyCharm, but this is supposed to be used, I believe, to clean, and it's got like a little shield on it, which is pretty neat. So yeah, between these two brushes, you've got like a flat side and then a textured side and then a cool little cleansing brush. So I'm definitely very excited to give these a try and see what they can do. I also like that they come in this little pouch, which could keep them clean if you wanted to take them traveling. So, and you could, you know, throw in your cleanser and stuff in here. That's actually pretty great. I love that. We also have another giveaway item in this box. We have a lip liner duo from Realher. This comes in 2 shades. So here we have our 2 shades. One is a little bit more of like a brownie caramel shade, and the other one is more of like a Merlot red. So these are actually both really, really beautiful. So I will go ahead and be including these in a future giveaway as well. Next, we have a skincare product from Grown Alchemist. This is the Detox Night Cream. I heard this is a very expensive product. We have this little tube. I heard this is like sold at like luxury retailers and such, but this is a very pricey cream. I will have all the prices in the description box below and the names of everything. But I'm very excited to give this a try. You can never go wrong with moisturizer, especially at this time of year for me. My skin gets so dry, the colder it just gets painfully like chapped and dry. So super thrilled to have this product in my box. And the last product in my premium box was my choice item, and that was the Smashbox Photo Finish Fresh Setting Powder. So this is a kind of innovative product in that I think you twist it and you kind of get fresh powder each time you grind it, like you grind your own powder each time. I was super excited to get this. I'm excited to try it, and I'm glad it's a little bit of a more narrow component because my powder drawer is getting out of control. I'm definitely excited to give this a try. So those were my boxes this month, my BoxyCharm base and premium unboxing. What did you guys think? I was actually really excited. When I saw the spoilers this month, I wasn't sure how I felt about it, but now that I've gotten everything, I'm actually thrilled. I really love all the products I received, and I'm excited that I have 2 products to share with you guys, a lip liner duo and a liquid lipstick trio. So that'll be exciting. I already have a couple palettes to the side for my next giveaway, and I'm excited to add these to that little growing pile. I love sharing with you guys. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, I apologize for my crazy makeup look today, but hey, I'm trying to get out of my box and try different eye shapes and different techniques. Can't win them all, right? I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for being here with me today. And until the next video, bye.